Welcome back, YouTube fam. It's your boy Y, back again with another video. And this video I want to share about something that is good for those who work from home. And the reason why I share that, just to give it a little bit of background, I've been working from home for years now, and I have a laptop and I have a monitor. So when I'm working those 8-hour shifts, or if I'm doing overtime, 10, 12-hour shifts, right? I have my laptop on my table and my monitor on a stand on the table because it comes with one. So I'm looking down, I'm looking up, I'm looking down, I'm looking up. After a while, that put a lot of strain on like my back and my neck, which was already pretty much messed up ever since I got rear-ended a couple years ago. So I had to find some way to kind of help with that. I did many different things. I got a new table, I changed like a keyboard. I tried many different stuff to kind of help me feel more comfortable while I work from home. Because during COVID, you really had no choice but to work from home, right? But I went looking and I stumbled upon this laptop stand. This is from a company called Maurice. So this helped me a lot, and I'm hoping that it helps all of you. This will help boost your laptop up higher, so that way you're not looking down, looking up, but you can look side to side. This is, again, adjustable. As you can see, even in the picture, you can bring it up. You can actually bring it up a little bit higher than that. That was just one of the levels it can go. But as you see, they advertise proper posture. As you can see with the little dummy they have in the picture, able to see clearly and straightforward. You don't have to look down or look, it doesn't hurt you anymore. Also, the posture improvement, angle adjustment, excellent stability. Overall, this stand is very, very helpful. I've been using this stand for quite a while, and it has helped me quite a bit. Helped me feel way more comfortable being at home without having to take a lot of breaks because my back or my neck is hurting. So let me show you what is in the box. Literally, there's only this wrapped up because that's the only thing they're going to sell with a laptop stand, of course, right? But look at the material. It's like aluminum, very like metal. It's a metal type of feel. Actually, it is metal. On it, it gives you 2 little rubber stamps. So when you put your laptop or your tablet or whatever you want to put on it, you don't have to worry about it sliding down. So just put the laptop here, and then there's a part right here that I don't see a lot of laptop places think about. Very sturable stopper right here. So when you put your laptop on, it sits, boom, just like that. Now, when you want to adjust it, all you have to do, if you look to the side, you can see it folded down, and in the front, all you have to do is literally pull it out. So if you just pull it, put some force, boom, you can pull it that way and it comes out, or you can pull it from the back, boom, comes out. So same thing. Of course, again, this is just one level. Now, if you want to raise it higher, when you pull it from the back, pull the front, do it together, and it just keeps folding out and it keeps going and going, and then boom, then you can slap your laptop on it. Now I wanted to show this so that way you can see kind of like how it would look when you fold it out, but I would like to show you also with the use of an actual laptop, for example, right? That would kind of be the smart way to go. So let me 1 minute, let me grab my laptop or one of my laptops and I'll show you. Alright, so just to show you, as you can see, I put my laptop on top. You can see how high it sits, even the underneath, those raised up. This is the area if you want to get creative. If you're going to have this on your table all the time without folding it up and putting it up somewhere when you want to leave, you can put stuff under it and decorate it. Again, you want to take the laptop off, you just take it off and you're back to there. And as you can see, all the way raised out. So sorry if I got some bad angles, but just to kind of show you questions, or if you have any comments, or I'll leave a link in the description so that way you can check it out as always. I'm hoping once again this helps somebody. Even if it helps one person, it'll make my day. I love to help people, so what helps me, hopefully it will help you as well. Please like, subscribe, comment. I love feedback. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong or if I could do something better. I would love to make sure that this channel is as helpful as possible, because that's the whole reason why I created this channel, for you, not for me. All right, thank you so much, YouTube family. Again, stay healthy, stay safe, and have a great rest of your day.